In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Jira Atlassian Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can tailor your project fields to match the way your team actually works. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira site and that you have the right permissions to change project settings. Custom fields are usually managed by project or space admins, so if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to ask an admin for access. To get started, open the project or space where you want to add a custom field. This is your main project overview page, where you can see things like the project summary, issues, and other details. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct project, especially if you have access to multiple spaces, because the field you create will be tied to this specific project configuration. Next, look towards the upper right or top area of the screen for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More menu. Click on this three-dot menu to open additional options related to your project. This menu is where Jira hides some of the more advanced settings that aren't used as frequently. From that menu, choose Space Settings or Project Settings, depending on how it appears in your Jira interface. This will take you into the configuration area for the project, where you can adjust things like details, access, and fields. Give the page a moment to load because there can be several sections available. Once you're in the settings, find and click on the Fields section. This is the area dedicated to managing which fields exist for issues in this project, and often how they appear on screens. If you're not seeing it right away, it might be listed in a sidebar or under a configuration category. On the Fields page, look for the option to Add Field and click it. This is where you'll begin the process of creating something new. Jira will now show you a list of field types you can choose from, such as text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, dates, and more. Carefully select the type of field that best matches the kind of information you want to capture. For example, use a drop-down for standardized options or a text field for freeform input. After you've selected the field type, click Add Field again to confirm and create it. Jira will guide you through naming the field and saving it.